In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can view a list of your upcoming card expiries. So to get started, we go to Manage Cards. And then a good trick, if you want to view expiring cards across all of the accounts that you manage, rather than just the one you've got selected, you click on this menu at the top and then simply tick All to select all of your operating accounts and then Confirm. This means you can see all your expiring cards in one place. Now we simply click on the Filters tab. So you can see the expiry date shown here already, but what I want to do is just make sure I'm only looking at my active cards. And then here we can select all cards that are expiring within a month or expiring within 2 months. And then we just click Update. Now this is showing no results found because I don't have any cards that are due to expire within the next 2 months. But if you did, it's simply a case of visiting the Order Cards tab here and then reordering any cards that you want to replace.